Hello and welcome to Realty Ready, signature program for real estate agents. My name is Vesna and I'm happy and honored to be one of your instructors in this program. If you're here on our portal watching this, it means that your company is investing in your training and education, and you should be grateful for that and do your best to follow the program with full attention. If you focus on learning and following the processes we teach you in the program and with daily practice, you will become performing agent in no time. Realty Ready consists of 8 core parts that carefully outline the psychology of sales all the way to the day-to-day business of a successful real estate agent. Broken down in modules and lessons, every part of the program covers specific topics that are important in the real estate business. Most of the lessons have supporting materials that you can download, and after each module you will be presented with assessment that you will need to pass in order for the next module to be unlocked. Apart from the 8 core parts, Realty Ready has a bonus part where you can find ebooks, area guides, social media guides, templates that you can easily customize, interviews with experts, scripts, calculators, and online training sessions where you can ask questions and discuss real estate related topics. We also have an exclusive Facebook group where you can ask questions, connect, network, cooperate, and close deals with other agents. To join the group, click the link below. Alternatively, you can find the link for our Facebook group in the detailed instruction guide that you can download below to see everything that is packed in our Realty Ready program. For best learning experience, you should consume the materials on PC or laptop. Phone works as well, just make sure to view it in a desktop mode and try to finish every part in 7 to 10 days and the whole program in 2 to 3 months. Good luck and see you inside!